K-Array presents Dolomite, where design meets high performance. A powerful system that redefines material expression, bringing together stainless steel and fabric in perfect harmony. Pure array technology is combined with dedicated low-frequency elements for a sound that's truly full range. The system consists of two towers, 2 meters long, paired with a Kommander amplifier. Modularity and ease of installation make Dolomite both an integrated and portable system. It's perfect for event productions and exclusive spaces. Dolomite. Design meets high performance. By K-Array.